In the heart of America lies a tapestry woven with the threads of history, culture, and diversity. An intricate panorama that stretches from the sparkling Atlantic to the serene Pacific. This is a land where memories of yesteryear blend seamlessly with the vibrant pulse of today. Picture the bustling streets of Chicago where every corner hums with the rhythm of life. The skyscrapers standing tall like sentinels of progress are a testament to the country's enduring spirit of innovation and the ceaseless drive of its people. Now, let your mind wander to the quaint hamlets nestled in the Blue Ridge Mountains of Virginia. Here, time seems to have a different rhythm, and the traditions of the ancestors are kept alive and cherished. The simple rustic charm of these villages, juxtaposed against the backdrop of the majestic mountains, paints a picture that is quintessentially American. Venture further, and you'll find yourself amidst the sun-kissed beaches of California, where the Pacific Ocean meets the golden sands in an eternal dance of nature. The coastline is a playground of surfers, a haven for artists, and a sanctuary for those seeking tranquility. But beyond the landscapes, it's the people who add color to this tapestry. From the industrious farmers tending to their fields in the heartland, to the tech entrepreneurs shaping the future in Silicon Valley, America is a melting pot of dreams, aspirations, and ideas. The beauty of America lies not just in its natural grandeur or its architectural marvels, but in its diversity. People from all walks of life, from all corners of the globe, have made this land their home, bringing with them their unique cultures, traditions, and stories. They are the threads that bind this tapestry together, creating a rich mosaic that is ever evolving, yet deeply rooted in its history. From the towering skyscrapers of New York City to the quaint villages nestled in the Appalachian Mountains, America's beauty knows no bounds. This is the Tapestry of America, an intricate blend of the old and the new, the familiar and the diverse, the urban and the rural. It's a story that continues to unfold, an epic tale written by millions for millions in the land of the free and the home of the brave. What makes America special is its diversity. We come from all corners of the globe, yet we are united by a common dream. Let's listen to the diverse voices that make up the American tapestry. Each individual, each story, contributes to the unique and vibrant mosaic that is America. First, meet Maria. Born in Mexico City, she moved to America as a child. She's a dedicated school teacher in Los Angeles now, shaping the minds of the next generation. Maria believes America is a place where dreams take flight, where a girl from Mexico can become an educator and inspire others. Next, we have Aiden, a third-generation Irish-American firefighter from Boston. To him, America means bravery. It's about facing the flames, literally and figuratively, and never backing down. From the bustling city of New York, we meet Priya, an Indian-American tech entrepreneur. She sees America as a land of innovation. It's a place that encourages you to think, create, and disrupt. It's where ideas come alive. In the heartland of America, meet Joseph, a Native American farmer from Oklahoma. He tells us, America is about roots and respect for the land. It's a place where the past and the future coexist. Finally, we journey to the southern charm of Savannah, Georgia, to meet Jamal, an African-American poet and activist. He speaks of America as a platform for change. It's a stage for voices to be heard, for injustices to be challenged, for change to be demanded. Each of these voices, distinct yet harmonious, weaves into the rich narrative of America. They represent the myriad cultures, backgrounds, and dreams that thrive in this land, a testament to the enduring allure of the American dream. America is a land of opportunity. It's where you can come with nothing and build something great. Indeed, the chorus of voices in America sings a song of resilience, of hope, and of dreams realized. This is the Symphony of America, a melody that continues to evolve, yet remains timeless in its promise. These landmarks stand as symbols of freedom, perseverance, and innovation, values that have shaped the American spirit for centuries. Imagine standing at the foot of Mount Rushmore, looking up at the faces of 4 presidents who helped shape the nation. Or consider the Statue of Liberty, a beacon of hope and freedom for millions of immigrants arriving on American shores. These aren't just stone and metal structures, they're powerful symbols of the American dream. How about the Golden Gate Bridge, a marvel of modern engineering that embodies the spirit of innovation and determination? It stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the power of persistence. Similarly, the Grand Canyon, carved out by the Colorado River over millions of years, tells a story of nature's resilience and the passage of time. Then there's the Liberty Bell in Philadelphia, an iconic symbol of American independence. It's a reminder of the struggle for freedom and the sacrifices made by those who fought for it. And let's not forget about the iconic Route 66, a symbol of America's love affair with the open road and the spirit of adventure. But it's not just the well-known landmarks that tell America's story. Across the country, there are countless other sites that hold deep cultural and historical significance. Think of the ancient cliff dwellings of Mesa Verde, the civil rights landmarks in Alabama, or the space-age monuments at Cape Canaveral in Florida. Each one tells a unique story, contributing to the rich tapestry of American history. These symbols and landmarks aren't just static reminders of the past. They continue to inspire and influence the present. They remind us of where we've come from, who we are, and what we aspire to be. They are touchstones that connect generations and instill a sense of national identity. Every year, communities across America come together to celebrate their heritage through music, dance, and cuisine, keeping traditions alive for future generations. These celebrations are another form of landmark living and breathing expressions of culture and identity. They serve as a reminder that, at its heart, America is a vibrant and diverse tapestry of stories, bound together by shared values and a collective spirit. But amidst the hustle and bustle of modern life, there is still a sense of camaraderie and neighborly kindness that defines the American experience. Everyday life in America is a fascinating blend of the ordinary and the extraordinary. It's in the early morning rush of the city where commuters share knowing smiles over steaming cups of coffee. It's in the laughter of children chasing each other in the park, their joy echoing against a backdrop of towering trees and open skies. It's in the comforting aroma of a home-cooked meal, lovingly prepared by hands that have mastered the art of their ancestors' recipes. It's in the quiet moments, too, the soft hum of a lullaby as a mother tucks her child into bed, the silent exchange of glances between old friends, the hushed whispers of lovers under a canopy of stars. These are the moments that make up the fabric of American life, each thread a testament to the resilience, diversity, and unity of the American spirit. In every town and city, you'll find communities that come together in times of joy and sorrow, standing shoulder to shoulder in solidarity. Whether it's a neighborhood barbecue, a local sports game, or a fundraising event for a worthy cause, there's a sense of shared experience that transcends boundaries and builds lasting bonds. And then there are the stories of everyday heroes, individuals who, in their own small ways, embody the values of courage, integrity, and compassion. They're the volunteers who spend their weekends helping out at the local shelter, the teachers who go above and beyond to inspire their students, the single parents who work tirelessly to provide for their families. The beauty of everyday America lies in its people, their dreams, their struggles, their triumphs. It's a testament to the human spirit, a celebration of the shared experiences that connect us all, regardless of our backgrounds, beliefs, or circumstances. From the American Revolution to the Civil Rights Movement, our nation has faced many challenges, but it is our resilience and determination that have propelled us forward. This is the essence of everyday America, a nation shaped by its past, but always looking towards the future with hope and optimism. In times of adversity, Americans have always risen to the occasion, lending a helping hand to those in need and fighting for a more just and equitable society. This spirit of resilience and determination is woven into the fabric of the nation, a testament to the character of its people. Picture this: neighbors coming together, rolling up their sleeves, rebuilding homes after a hurricane, or volunteers distributing food and necessities to those less fortunate. These are not isolated incidents, but a reflection of the American ethos, an ethos of community, compassion, and courage. And then we see activism, the backbone of America's progress. From the women's suffrage movement in the early 20th century to the civil rights movement in the 60s and the ongoing fight for equality and justice today, Americans have consistently stood up, spoken out, and pushed for change. Remember the iconic March on Washington in 1963, where Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. delivered his "I Have a Dream" speech, or the Stonewall riots in 1969, a turning point in the battle for LGBTQ+ rights. These moments and countless others demonstrate the power of collective action and the unwavering pursuit of a better tomorrow. In America, activism is not just about grand gestures or momentous events. It's also about everyday acts of kindness and advocacy. recycling to protect the environment, tutoring a child in need, or supporting local businesses. It's about recognizing that each of us has a role to play in shaping our shared future. So here we are, at the heart of America, where the past and present meet, and where the spirit of unity and hope shines brightest. It's a place of struggle and triumph, of diversity and unity, of tradition and innovation, a place that continues to evolve, driven by the dreams and aspirations of its people. As we journey through the heart of America, remember the values that bind us together and the endless possibilities that await us on the horizon. This is authentic America, where the past meets the present and the spirit of unity shines bright.